Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, in this video we are going to review our trending hedge expert advisor or trend hedging expert advisor. And as you know that we installed it on two accounts and with different settings. Okay, this one that you are seeing right now, it is very aggressive, not very aggressive. Aggressive hedging is always aggressive when it is in trending market, right? So aggressive are both, but yes, the way of taking the trades is different. So right now, this account we started with 100k on 11th of June, 11th of May, and today is 11th of June. So it has completed 1 month. So let me just go through whatever is the result. Okay, so initially, actually, we didn't set it this particular expert advisor in this account. We were checking or testing different other expert advisors also, and later on, however, we started this account on 11th of May, but this expert advisor we installed it on 14th of May. Right. This particular expert advisor, trending hedge expert advisor, with this setting that you are seeing right now. So ignore all these trades, what you can see right now. So 14th of May onwards, it will be this expert advisor. Okay. Yeah. So now onwards, this expert advisor trades only. So it is very limited. Like 10 is the maximum lot that we decided, and it is like 0.01, then 0.11, then 1.19, then 10. It is based on the setting that we found that is working best. But however, we have to work on the settings again, because the kind of movement that we experienced in last 3 days, right? We need to work a little bit on setting. Uh, However, the bot has survived, but still the drawdown is too much. Okay, so but like other expert advisor which keeps on adding the lot sizes when the market goes in opposite direction, this is not the same in this case, right? It uses very limited number of trades, so it has its consequences as a positive as well as negative as well. Okay, so we will talk about both. So in 1 month, 100k, we got a profit of 408383. So almost 400% plus gains in 1 month. However, the drawdown is too much, and maybe if we would have started it at 100k this week itself, then probably it would have been very difficult to survive, right? So we will work out on it. However, our account has survived because our account has grown from 100k to 508 383, as you can see over here. And I will be stop the algo trading, but I wanted to create this video I uh, before I close this account and work out on its settings. However, on the second account, a different kind of settings that we were working on. One is this one, and another one is here. And this one, the another account that we started with 50k, 50k. You can take it as 50k cents also with a good broker, right broker, with no slippage or like very tight spreads. Okay, so let's see. And this one we started on 21st of May, and today is 11th of June. So it's just 2 weeks, but still it's very important to see like whether the bot was able to survive in this kind of market situation or not. Okay, you can see like I mean the kind of movement that we experienced in last 3 days. So this is what, and these are the running trades. Okay, and if you are fear of the increased lot sizes, then please do understand that in hedging one has to increase the lot sizes. Okay, the lot sizes has to be increased, but should be on both the directions. And according to the hedging, when additional position open when the market needs to reverse at a certain point. Okay, so it is not a martingale; it is a hedging, and this is how the hedging works. But in hedging, we can use different kind of strategies. That in the first account I showed you, okay, and this is the second one, and in both the way of working is different. Okay, this is still a demo account, but I just want to show you that this is a real account. However, we just wanted to test this week that whether the expert advisor is working according to uh, like how it should work or it should be working or not. Okay. However, I just stopped the algo trading a while back because this was just a testing, and fortunately we were not knowing that this kind of movement will be happening this week. Okay, we started it on 8th of June, and similarly, I mean, then this kind of movement started. So what a good day to check whether the expert advisor is able to survive or not. Okay, and this is a set account 50k cents, and this is how it works. This is just 3 days trading. Okay, so maybe you will not be able to do much or will be able to see, but the only thing is I just wanted to show you that whether the expert advisor is able to survive in the market or not. Okay, so we made some withdrawal also, so that overall profit we generated, it's 145.59. You can say 146. That is uh, approximately 28 or 29%, right? In 3 days. Actually, this is not and this is not possible if for such kind of movement it doesn't happen, because when the market consolidates or maybe uh, in the range, then such kind of profit would not be happening. Okay, and in such kind of movement where 99.9% of the expert advisors failed, this bot was able to survive in these kind of situations. Okay, so this is the real account. However, we have stopped it and take some withdrawal, and this was just a trial just to check whether the expert advisor uh, would be working in the real account or not, and this is the great way and the great day that it happened. Otherwise, we would not be able to see whether the bot would be able to survive, right? So the same as we see in the previous account, right? So this is a demo account, and the previous one I just showed you was a real account, just to see whether, because some people say, okay, the bot works in demo and it doesn't work in real or whatever. Okay, but there is no other way that you can see that such kind of movement that was experienced and able to manage. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. This was a review for Trending Hedge Expert Advisor, and any queries you have, and please explore my YouTube channel and other expert advisor videos as well. If you have any query about any of those expert advisor videos or any of those, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. I would be happy if I can assist you further. So thank you very much, guys, and take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. And till then, goodbye.